And Jamaican-born retired Canadian international cricketer Aaron Johnson has stepped up to champion the cause of uniting cricket with environmental sustainability and food security. And already he has hosted a tournament using the sport as a catalyst for environmental awareness and sustainable development.
Aaron Johnson has hit his fair share of big shots while playing for St. Catherine High School in the Grey Shield competition, as well as for St. Catherine CC in the Senior Cup, before making his international debut for Canada in 2022. At the 2024 ICC T20 Men's World Cup, he smashed an impressive 52 of 44 balls against Pakistan before retiring in 2025. Now, he's looking to play another masterstroke, a twofold mission to ensure the long-term sustainability of cricket and addressing food security challenges, particularly in the wake of Hurricane Melissa. Distributions of small trees were made at the just concluded Blue 52 T20 International Invitational Competition that had matches played across several venues, including Shedrin Park, UWI, the Jamaica University College, with the final played at Sabina Park.
We have distributed, I think, probably about 100 plus trees here today. And I'm not sure about the other grounds because we had multiple grounds. But what I do know is that we have taken a lot of data where we'll be going out in the communities and interacting with the direct farmers and even regular patrons.
Now the plan is to do more.
A few patrons, came and they express gratitude of the trees we are giving out, and we have taken some, with the help of the ministry, we have taken some data, and we'll be connecting with some farmers back home in St. Elizabeth and Manchester.
It's an idea that's taking root among stakeholders.
It was a worthy cause. The notion that we're having a relief tournament at this time of the year, just after Hurricane Melissa, is most fitting. We'd have lost a number of trees, right? And in light of that, with this initiative to plant so many trees over a period will help back our ecosystem. So we're happy for it, and we're glad that the organizers use cricket as the medium.
Well, it's a good feeling, and I think this whole relief thing is a good thing to have in the country.
We're in support of what's going on, so I just hope the organizers take this and move forward and continue to do this.
I know Aaron for a long time, and when I got the call about this good cause, Relief Jamaica, I was the first one to put the hand up.
Meanwhile, the hope is that there will be future successful stagings of the event.
That's the first point I said to Aaron and Relief Jamaica team, that we understand this is a foundational tournament, so it can only get better from here. So we want to be there to support now and in future as well. So happy to be part of the future editions of this one too.
It's a good competition. I think the organizers done a pretty good job to organize the competition, especially the play final underneath lights. It's something that they should build on, and all the players looking forward to it for next year, and hope it can continue for as long as possible.
This is an inaugural tournament, so we're not going to get everything right. So I have seen some areas that will need some fixing up. But after the debrief, we'll do a detailed report, and we expect it to happen again next year. And so therefore, next year is going to be bigger and better.
And Johnson is more than happy to oblige following the success of the first staging.
I'm very satisfied. I'm more satisfied about the support I've gotten. I'm very satisfied about the feedback, both positive and what some people would consider negative, but I take it as constructive criticism. And I'm more pleased about the energy of the youngsters. I'm looking forward to bigger and better things next year.
In the meantime, 2 sports scholarships to the UWI will be awarded to a cricketer from St. Catherine High School and a person of the JCA's choosing, courtesy of co-owner of the Seattle Thunderbolts, a team that took part in the competition, Pani Chetnini. A JCA Select 11 won the inaugural staging. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.